Well, hello. This is your Math Cheat Thursday, and I hope that you are ready. So let's start with our song. Are you ready to sing it with me? Okay, let's do it together. Yellow is the sun, 6 is 5 and 1. Why is the sky so blue? 7 is 5 and 2. Salty is the sea, 8 is 5 and 3. Hear the thunder roar, 9 is 5 and 4. Ducks will swim and dive, 10 is 5 and 5. Good job, beginners. All right, excellent. I hope you did your motion with your fingers. All right, so right now what we're going to do is we're going to talk about 5. So I'm going to draw something on the board, and I want you to get your tally sticks out, and I want you to show me with your tally sticks how many circles I have on my board. I'm going to move this and this because we're not doing this. We're thinking of these circles right here, not these. All right, so tell me and show your mom with your tally marks how many circles I have. Muestra a tu mamá con los tally sticks cuántos círculos tengo aquí en la pared. Muestra a tu mamá con los tally sticks. All right, so this is what it should look like. Eso es lo que debería de haber hecho. Poniendo uno aquí, uno aquí, uno aquí, uno aquí. Y después poniendo el otro así. ¿Verdad? Eso es 5 en tally sticks. That is 5 in tally sticks. So that is what you should have done. Now, let me see. Now I'm going to draw triangles. So let me grab my other marker. I'm going to draw triangles or rectangles, not triangles. So we're going to erase this, okay? And we're going to draw rectangles. Actually, I'm going to start with red. So can you see me over here? Good. So I'm going to do rectangle. I'm trying to do the right angle, right? Hope you can still see me in here. Okay, good. All right. How many rectangles, Miss Sarah, not triangles. How many rectangles do you see? So don't look at this. How many rectangles do you see? Very good. You see 5 and 3, which is, what is it? What is 5 and 3? Remember our song? Salty is the sea, 8 is 5 and 3. So what is it? It's 8. That is right. I drew 8 triangles. And I want you now to show me with tally marks, how would you write 8 with tally sticks? How would you write 8 with tally sticks? So you have a clue right here. You would put your 5, right? And then, so that's your red ones. And then how would you do for these? What would you add? Very good. You would add 3 tally sticks for the blue, wouldn't you? Excellent job. That is right here. That is how you write 8 with tally sticks. That is how you write 8, or that is how you see 8 objects, right? You can also write 8 this way. Correct? That's also 8. Very good. You can also do 8 with your fingers. Can you show me? That's 8. Excellent. You can also show me 8 with your abacus. Can you get your abacus out? Can you get your abacus out? So this is your abacus. Is it cleared? All the beads should be where the A is, on this side. Very good. So can you show me 8 with the abacus? So 5 and 3. Good. This is 8. So there are many ways to write 8, right? Or to show 8. Very good. Excellent. So now here's what I want you to do. I want you to grab your worksheet, this one right here, and you see it has objects. Oh, look, what are those called? They are 4 sides. They're called quadrilateral. Very good, quadrilateral. Excellent. And these, so these are not rectangle, right? Because they don't have parallel lines. Well, all 4 are not parallel, but these are rectangles. They're special rectangles because they're all the same size. They're squares. And over here, there are rectangles because these 2 lines are parallel and these 2 lines are parallel. Very good. Excellent job. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. Write your name right here. And then you're going to, over here, you're going to look at them. Don't want you to count them. You can count them afterwards to make sure. But I want you to just look at them and figure out how many there are. Let's do the first one together. How many are they? Just looking at them. 4, right? You didn't need to go 1, 2, 3. You don't need to count. You can just see 4. Close your eyes a minute. Imagine 4 candies in front of you. Do you see the 4 candies in front of you? I can see them. I have 2 blues, 1 green, and 1 yellow candy. Yeah. And they're lollipops. I like lollipops. Do you like lollipops? I like the ones that have a gum inside. Ooh, those are so good. I like the red ones too. So look, you can see 4, right? Now, right here, did you notice how there's 4 tally marks? Right, because that's another way to write it. Just like we did for the triangles, that's another way to write it. I can even write it with my, over here I can write this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3. And that is how I write 8, right? So I want you over here to look at these. Don't count them. Just look at them and tell me how many there are. Very good. There are 3. Excellent. So I want you to do 3 tally marks. Can you do 3 tally marks? Now notice how this tally mark is. It started at the line and it went up about this size. So they're not really small. Right? They're not really tiny. They're kind of big, right? But they touch the bottom line. So over here, we're going to do it like this. 1, 2, 3. We're going to write 3 tally marks because that's how many there are. Okay. Now I want you to look at this picture and tell me how many you see. Now don't count. Remember, if it has a beginning, a middle, an end, and 2 in between, what is it? It's 5. That's correct. A beginning, a middle, an end, and 2 in between. That's 5. Now, how do we write 5 in tally sticks, tally mark? I've showed it to you over here, right? That's 5. So I want you to do this, and then here it gets a little bit more difficult, right? There's 5 and you have to look at the different pattern. They're not the same, right? Here they're not the same. You see these are dark and these are light. So you have to pay very close attention to the pattern. Look here. Are they the same pattern? No, so they're different. So I want you to write the tally sticks. I want you to write the tally sticks. Tally marks on here with a marker or a pen or colored pencils, whatever you want it to be. Okay, I'm gonna let you do the rest with your mom. But madres, no le diga la respuesta. Ellos necesitan verlo y no contar, verlo, ver 5 y 1, ver cuánto hay y poner los tally sticks, ¿ok? Ok, perfecto.